Hi there, good day to all my viewers. For today's video, I will be sharing the tips of having a 100% growth rate after cutting a philodendron or a monstera plant. Now listen to this video and please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and I am hoping you to share this to your colleagues also. Now watch this. Nowadays, a lot of plantitas and plantitas suffer from root rotting for the reason that roots were not that enough to gather moisture and feed a plant. The major methods of asexual propagation are cuttings, layering, division, budding, and grafting. Cuttings involve rooting a severed piece of the parent plant. Layering involves rooting a part of the parent and then severing it. And budding and grafting is joining two plant parts from different varieties. This new method is named as cupping method. It is considered as the new method in propagation. The idea will lessen the problem of transplanting with not enough roots for moisture. As the roots turn white in its tip area, water moisture is already absorbed and the leaves of the plant turn green. Aside from providing the enough nutrients to the plant, this must be placed in a 70% indirect light. Philodendrons do just fine in low light conditions, one of the best aspects of their versatility. Plants that receive medium or indirect light, however, will grow faster and produce more leaves. Philodendrons should not be placed in direct sunlight. Your philodendron Little Hope prefers bright, indirect light. It will, however, survive in lower light and the leaves will turn a darker green. Direct sun or too much light will burn or fade the leaves. Water your plant when the top 50% to 70% of soil is dry. I would consider this as a 100% effective and reliable method in comparison to the traditional method of propagation. clicking on my video. And remember that cupping method is the very effective and reliable method for propagation. I am hoping you to watch the part 2 of this video.